In this video, we will discuss the Friday strategy for price chart turns. This strategy is applicable for fixed time trading. It is effective for 1+ minute time frames. The strategy is based on 3 different versions of the exponential moving average (EMA) indicator, with periods of 5, 13, and 55. An EMA with a period of 5 serves as a signal line for the strategy. If the signal line crosses the EMA 13 or 55 going downwards, we open a down trade. If the signal line crosses the EMA 13 or 55 going upwards, we open an up trade. Let's try our strategy in practice. In this example, we will open a chart for pound sterling US dollar currency pair in fixed time mode and set chart time frame to 1 minute. Let's now switch to the indicator section and select the Trading Strategies tab. We will use the Friday strategy. The 3 EMA lines have appeared along the price chart. The required settings are applied automatically. To open a down trade, wait for the EMA 5 signal line to cross the EMA 13 or 55 top to bottom. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. To open an up trade, wait for the EMA 5 signal line to cross the EMA 13 or 55 bottom to top. Open a 2 to 4 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. Trade on the Olymp trade platform using strategies to get maximum results.